Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy stock after hours on Interactive Brokers. First, open Trader Workstation, that's Interactive Brokers desktop platform. Once you're in, locate the order entry panel or your watch list. Type the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy into the ticker entry field. You'll see the stock information populate as soon as you enter it. Next, click the buy button in the order entry panel. This opens your order ticket with quantity and price fields ready to fill in. Now enter the number of shares you want to purchase in the quantity field. Then click the order type dropdown and select limit. Limit orders are recommended for after-hours trading because liquidity is lower outside regular market hours, so you want control over your entry price. Here's the key step for after-hours trading. Look at the time and force section of your order ticket. You'll see a field that says day. Click on that day field. A drop-down menu appears with several options. Select Fill Outside RTH from that drop-down. Once you select it, you'll notice a clock icon appears with a yellow warning triangle next to it. That triangle confirms your order is now eligible to fill outside regular trading hours, which means it can execute during the after-hours session. Finally, click the Submit button at the bottom of your order entry panel to transmit the order. Your order will appear in the Activity panel in the lower left corner of Mosaic TWS. That's where all your live orders show up. One important thing to know, the Fill Outside RTH option means your order can fill during either pre-market or after-hour sessions, not just after-hours specifically. After-hours runs from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Pre-market starts at 4 a.m. So if you submit an order at 7 p.m. with Fill Outside RTH enabled and it doesn't fill before 8 p.m., it'll still be active the next morning during pre-market and regular hours. If you only want your order to fill during the after-hours session and nowhere else, you'll need to monitor it and cancel before the market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. You can do this directly from the Activity panel. Just locate your order, right-click on it, and select Cancel. You can also modify the order from there if you want to adjust your limit, price, or quantity. One more thing, because after-hours sessions have lower volume, your limit order might not fill immediately, even if your price looks reasonable. Spreads tend to be wider, so don't be surprised if your order sits there for a bit before executing. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.